Okay folks, now you know we just picked up that beautiful oil painting, so I'm going to want to redo the stairwell. Thought you might want to see right here on my take on Home and Garden. So thanks for coming, guys. We're going to look at the opposite wall in the stairwell or stairway, and I'm going to rearrange those paintings. Some might think, well, geez, it looks good now, why would you bother? It's been like that for 12 years. That's why I'm going to bother. So I figured out, I think I've only got I'm going to take 2 nautical pieces down, which don't go here really at all anymore. We're going to have a nautical room someday, but so I take 2 down and move 1, and the big new one's going to go right in between. So we're going to look at that, and we're going to love it. Okay, so we're going to get this new painting downstairs, move a little furniture, and get the big ladder that I'll need.
Wake up, honey, I made you breakfast, fresh coffee and bagels too. A new day is waiting for us, we got lots of fun stuff to do. Let's go to the zoo and feed the monkeys, I can lend them your baseball cap. Let's make the day a barrel of fun. Growing up is just a trap. Don't it seem like a drag? Like putting all of your joy in a big brown bag. I won't listen to any of that jazz. No, I'll never grow up. Growing up is just a big fat trap. I take pride in never working a day. Can't see the use of it anyway. Who can think I'm such a load of crap? Growing up is just a trap.
Now you clean fanatics, you're getting a bonus today. Second time you can catch me cleaning. I'm sure Angela will cut out the loud noise.
Well, don't it seem like a drag? Oh, like putting all of your joy in a big brown bag. No, I won't listen to any of that jazz. Growing up is just a trap. Oh yeah, well, growing up is just a trap. Growing up is just a trap.
All right, that's a lot of the dust. And these 2 I took now because they don't go back there. And they are wonderful. Okay, so we need 60 inches with a space from the still life over. So I got to move her. So 2 things. I want to get a measurement, of course, and get her down till I can put her back up. Now the new painting is 60 inches almost. And we're going to want a space 64, so 34 will give us 34. We'll get a mark. I'll get rid of that nail. And these bigger paintings are on a wire. And they're quite substantial in weight. So we don't just have little wires or nails or tacks holding these up. Everything's got to be an anchor, you know, if you don't land on a stud. Okay, now I'm not showing this like it's a DIY. You know, I'm just showing you what I have to do. So I've taken the old screws out. I'm gonna just punch in the old anchor a little bit into the drywall. I want it under the surface, not flush, so I can fill it, you know, with some spackling compound. New hole here with a Phillips screwdriver or a punch. And that's how the painting I'm moving measured out. Then the triple grip anchor, plastic expanding anchor. The secret is with them is to make sure your hole's big enough. Now this isn't yet, so I'm gonna wobble, see, to get that started. Otherwise you're gonna bend over your plastic anchor by hammering it in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at it go in. See? Get that in reference to the diameter of the anchor. Next will be the screw. And we're going to leave the head out for the wire. Alrighty. Since I've moved those two anchors. Ooh, that is something. And the other. Now when I get to the end of that, I'll check that. Okay, hopefully this will go right on. The last one I really lucked out. But see, when you're on this side, you can't see the wire. Now, last but not least, guys, the mirror you saw me pick up at the estate sale, I wanted to replace it here, and I've measured everything out. It seems to be ready to go. So this littler cute mirror, which we still love, this will probably, go in the bathroom or somewhere different, that's for sure. Okay, now that mirror is much more substantial, and I do tend to use this one when I get ready to do a video. Kind of a going out of the room and last minute look. See if that wild whisker, wacky ear hair is sticking out. So this is just a much bigger and better view on that. Anybody else use newspaper to clean your windows or mirrors? Oh, just like home now. Also, I think I'm gonna have to take you and show you all around.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck.
Folks, if you like our work with me today, give us a like, a share, a comment, send your buddy over. We'll be waiting for you, and we'll make it fun. Thanks, guys. Take care and stay safe, and we'll see you in the next over the top decor video. Oh, wait a minute, I can't finish yet. Something good on the TV.
It's a good